Hey guys, I have a package from Miniature Sweet here, and I know I've had a lot of haul videos and unboxings lately, but it's all to get me motivated, guys. It's totally justified, as long as I make videos, right? Here's an assortment of goodies, and we're gonna go through them one by one. The first two items I have here are cups for mixing resin. The first item I have here is a silicone cup, and this is going to be perfect for mixing 2-part resin or UV resin if you're making a big batch. But if you're just making one charm, I think this might be a little bit too big. But because it's silicone, you're going to be able to clean the resin off of it really easily once it cures. I have some mini cups here, and I've never used these before, but they're little tiny cups. They kind of look like the cups my mom used to give me cough syrup in when I was little. I'm thinking that these are going to be good for mixing UV resin. The one thing is I'm not sure if these are reusable once the resin cures, if it'll peel off or it'll just crack the plastic. I don't remember the exact price, but they were fairly cheap on the Miniature Sweet website, so I thought I would give them a test and see, because I get a lot of questions about the mixing cups I use, and I haven't found a good source for them online yet, so I thought I would check these out and hopefully be able to give you guys a source for mini mixing cups. Next, I got these silicone tools. I know a lot of my friends use these for clay, but I'm gonna use these for resin. I've never used anything like this before. I have my plastic tools and I love them, but I'm thinking the silicone might be nice too to like pick up rhinestones, and we'll see. Again, they weren't that expensive, so I thought I would test them out. I forgot to show this to you guys at the beginning. It is the Miniature Sweet card, and there is a coupon. And if you're gonna buy from Miniature Sweet, if you would use the link down below, it would actually help me a lot because I get a little percentage, and it helps me make more and better craft videos. I got a few decal sheets. I got an Alice in Wonderland sheet. This one has a lot of potential. I could see myself using this in a lot of my pieces. And I got another shiny piece. If you haven't seen my Magical Girl resin charm video yet, I would appreciate it if you would check it out. Again, I'll link it down below. And I don't know what I'm gonna use these for yet, but I'm gonna figure out something. Finally, I have a packet of charms here. I don't even remember what I got, so let's take a look together. I still have to use some of the charms I got from Miniature Sweet last month, so we're gonna have a busy month. But this month I'm gonna be able to focus on crafting, and I'm super excited. I will list everything down below and you can check it out, but here are some hearts in silver, some hearts in bronze. I thought these were gold, but it's kind of a brassy color. Here are some wings in the same brassy gold, some star wings, silver star wings, star wand, a moon and star wand, a silver star wand, can you tell I like wands, a heart wand, and another gold moon wand. And then I have a pack of something here. I don't know what this is. Looks like there's quite the assortment here. Here's the white rabbit. Here is a teapot. Here are a few different ice creams. Here's another teapot. What do you guys think? A bunny peeking out of a teacup? Cupcake, teacup, another teacup, and a sundae. I bet this would make a really cute pastel piece. And you know what? I can use my Alice decals with it. So that was my haul for Miniature Sweet. I can't wait to get crafting. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see first. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!